All right, so let's get straight into it. If you've ever heard the term SMMA thrown around and wondered what it actually means, it's simple. SMMA stands for Social Media Marketing Agency, and right now it's one of the fastest ways to build a high income online business. But there is a catch to it. If you have no clients, you have no agency. You can have the best service in the world. You have killer Facebook ads. You have a beautiful website, amazing funnels. But if no one knows who you are and what you're doing, you're done for. And that's why outreach is everything. It's the lifeblood of your agency. It's how you go from zero to your first 10K per month. So outreach is the first real skill every agency owner needs to master, because clients don't just fall from the sky. You earn them by knowing how to get in front of them the right way. So if you're serious about growing an SMMA, forget the fancy stuff for now. Focus on one thing: getting attention and booking meetings. That's where the real game begins. So in this video, I'm going to show you how agency owners are skipping hours of boring lead scraping and pulling thousands of verified leads straight from Google Maps in seconds. No virtual assistant, no guesswork, just pure qualified prospects. So if you're running a social media marketing agency, or even if you're thinking about starting one, this is the tool that can help you 10x your outreach and get more clients faster. So let's get into it. But firstly, I want to quickly clear this off the air, which is the preaching of you can find leads manually. Honestly, this sounds easy until you actually tried. Alright, so right here, I'm going to head over to Google Maps, okay? And right here on Google Maps, so let's say I just want to find something like gyms, alright, in Miami. Now, let me show you why it is much more hard to find leads manually. Now, look at this. Now, you can see I'm trying to target gyms in Miami, and you can see we have quite a number of gym stations right here. Now, if I go ahead and open it, let's just see I open up this one. Right now, let me open up this one and show you something. Now you can see this is Miami Strong Gym right here. So if I want to get data about this particular business, or maybe I want to get the contact information and several other things that you'll be needing. Now this is it here. If I go over to their website, you can see I have their website displaying here. I'm going to open up their website, and now all I have to do is to start looking for where I can find their email address. Now imagine that. So all I have to do now is to come down to the very bottom here, and you can see that unfortunately we have no email displaying here, only just a phone number displaying right here. Now tell me, how many of this do you want to do? How many of this process do you want to keep on carrying just to make sure you are getting hundreds, not even 1,000 leads? You can see manual outreach is going to take your time. It's going to be time consuming, and you see you're just going to end up not liking the whole process. All right, so you need to ask me, how do you solve the nightmare of manual lead generation? This is where this tool called Lead Sniper comes in. So Lead Sniper is a powerful Google Maps scraper that pulls verified real-time business leads directly from Google Maps, so the most trusted database of local businesses online. So in just few clicks, you can have hundreds and sometimes thousands of potential clients in any niche and in any location. So one gym's in Miami. Now let's check it out with Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper. So I'm just going to head over to my browser right now, okay? And we can see here is gym stations in Miami. Right now, let me quickly turn up the Lead Sniper. So you can see I have it installed into my computer. So if you want to learn how to install this tool, I'm be linking a video right here where you can watch and see how to install the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper into your computer. So for me, I'm going to open up the tool right now, and what I have to do right now is let me just go back and copy these gyms in Miami. Now let me copy all of this, and I'm going to come back to the tool. Okay, I'm going to paste it in here. And now, mind you guys, you can have multiple keywords. You can see I just have gyms in Miami. I can also have something like gyms in Florida. It can be anything at all. All you have to do is just keep on inputting the necessary keywords you need, and this tool is going to handle everything for you. Let me quickly edit this. This should be Florida. Good. Now let me just try out this tool. Click on start, and you can see what happens. It opens up a new tab, and right from here, guys, all by itself, automated. You can see automated. This tool begins to help you scrape the data you need of gyms in Miami and gyms in Florida. So it can be anything basically for you. It can be something that has to do with restaurant, it can be hospitals, it can be gas stations, whatever thing that you were trying to look for, you can find it right here, all right, using the Leak Sniper Google Map scraper. So I'm just gonna allow this to run for a while, and once I'm able to get quite a number of data, I'm gonna come back right here and show you guys what the data result looks like. So you yourself, you get to decide if you still want to stick with the manual lead generation or you want to go with the Lead Sniper tools that helps you scrape data effortlessly even without you going through the whole stress of it. So now let me come back. All right, guys, so you can see for yourself in just few minutes we've been able to get over 5,000 leads, all right, on gyms in Miami and also in Florida. So I just had to pause this so I could quickly show you guys that in few seconds you can be having hundreds of data already being generated for you by the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper tool. So now quickly let me show you how to export your data, and I'm going to show you something else you need to know about this tool. So if I go ahead and click on export right now, all right, guys, so you can see the tab we have opened up for us already. Now, I want you to pay attention to something. So let's say you want to basically export just only one field, all right, or the data you've been able to extract from Lead Sniper, all right, on Google Maps. It's simple. All you have to do is come over to this place that says export single field, and right from here, all right, you have to just go ahead and tell this tool the data you want to, or the field you want to download into your computer. So let's say you only need the phone contact. You can only just click on phone contact, and automatically the data is just going to download only the phone contact of gyms in Miami and also in Florida. So let's say I want to do emails alone. You can see emails from website. The tool is only going to help me download the emails of gyms in Miami and gyms in Florida. So this is just to help you, all right, reduce your data file. So if you want to target only the emails, or probably you need only the phone numbers, you can go ahead and just select any one of these right here. But for me, I love making use of all the data that the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper tool has gotten from me. So I'm going to go ahead and download my data result in a CSV file. Okay, so click on download as CSV, and guys, you can see it's already been downloaded and we have it already downloaded. So let me quickly open up this and show you guys what the data the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper tool has been able to get for us. So quickly, let me open this up and show you guys what the result looks like. All right, guys, so you can see I'm just super happy with the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper tool, because you can see all of the data we have right here on our screen, and I don't have to manually do this myself. It gets me all of this data automation, okay, automatedly, without me stressing my own personal life. Honestly, you can see we have things like the keyword we imputed into the tool. It will get that it will get to show you that this was the keyword that you imputed rightly. Now you can see we also have the name of each businesses right here, and we have their full address, because if you go over to Google Maps, some of this data you are finding here, you would not see them displayed on Google Maps. So this tool has its way of getting you the data, and you can see how beautiful it looks like. So now let me quickly go show you something else you might need to pay attention to, and that is, you can see we have the phone contact here. All of the phone contact is displayed right here. You can see we also have the email from the website, and we have the website URL, which is also being displayed here. And now look at something, guys. I want to show you something. Now, you should see this for yourself. You can see that we also have this thing that says review count. So it shows you that this is a particular review each of those businesses have on Google Maps. With all of this data, you can now personalize every cold emails or every cold outreach procedure that you would want to carry away. So you get to know more about those businesses and how to approach them. If you also want to check out on their social medias, probably you want to check if they have a strong social media connection, you can check that right here, because you also have this tool helping you get all the Facebook URL of those businesses. We have LinkedIn, all right. We also have Twitter, we have YouTube, Instagram, and so many of all those data right here. So all thanks to the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper, you don't have to manually get a lead for yourself. You can use those tools to get thousands of leads in seconds. Very easy and very simple to do. So if you found this video helpful, please, I need you to smash the like button, because I'm going to be talking about Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper 2 more and more until Everybody gets to use this tool. Honestly, you need to start using now this tool to start generating these videos. So if you found it helpful, please smash the like button. Use the link in the description box below to get yourself an account on Lead Sniper, and you will be good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my other videos. Please take care and bye.